Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Thunderstorms with strong winds and hail threaten weekend plans from Midwest to Northeast in United States. A small but potent storm will trigger a narrow zone of the heavy, gusty and severe thunderstorms along the several states, stretching from the Midwest to the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday. A new small storm will race eastward from Midwest to the northeastern United States on Sunday. What the storm lacks in size will be made up for by the punch of that it picks up in terms of dumping more rain during the second half of the weekend and more significantly setting off severe thunderstorms in some locations, AccuWeather meteorologists warn. At this time, the greatest threat of severe thunderstorms will extend from near the Ohio-Indiana border eastward along the Interstate 70, 80 and 90 corridors through Ohio, western Pennsylvania, western New York and northern West Virginia on Sunday afternoon and evening, AccuWeather senior meteorologist said. The severe weather risk will extend farther to the east along the Pennsylvania-New York border later in the day and during the Sunday evening. Motorists along these highways and others should be prepared for the delays, while those outdoors may need to seek shelter as the storms approach. Meanwhile, a slow-moving storm will continue to unload torrential rain in parts of the Hawaii through this weekend, creating dangerous flash flooding and mudslides. The storm is locally called Konalo, which is slow-moving storm in the parts of atmosphere where jets cruise. The Konalo and its counterclockwise flow of air was positioned in the perfect spot to pump moisture northwards over the region. The storm was located several hundred miles to the northeast of the islands. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.